Chris next door had put it in, and there's the benefits, and I looked initially out there going, it's fairly expensive. But then you do start looking at the power bills, you go, wow, there's definitely some added values there. When Ben turned up, he looked at the power account and said, I'll do an assessment on what I reckon you need. So he came back and said, you need 2 AG panels. That should be sufficient for the size of the house, and you recommended 4 batteries.
Got the BYD HVM batteries here. It's a modular system, so originally we just started off with 11 kilowatts, and then Grant decided a month down the track that he wanted to add 2 more, so he just took the top off, added the 2 more modules in there. He now has 16 kilowatts of battery storage. These can have up to 8 modules in a stack, so we can sort of get up to almost this roof height here. And with this inverter we can use 3 stacks of batteries, which is 66 kilowatts of storable energy.
With batteries, it just gives the alternative because most of our heating's done at night with the aircon. I would check that probably 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Like today, you just check it. Before it was producing 6 kilowatts on a cloudy day, which is pretty impressive. And battery's already about 30% charged on a cloudy day. I asked about the water tightness of how everything would work on the roof, because that's the main concern. But no, the way they fitted everything turned up. And like I said, the boys are very professional. Everything was just done down to what you expected to be done. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely, 100% local. It's only a phone call away. He goes here if you require them. So, and most of it's sorted out on the phone. And the apps are pretty good to use as well. I think everybody should. It's a good option to consider. It just depends on what it's expensive to get into, but the paybacks are definitely there, and it's helpful.